Hello, welcome to Revel for Introduction to Python Programming and Data Structures. I'm Daniel Liang. In this video, we will begin to start Chapter 1, Introduction to Computers, Programs, and Python. The central theme of this book is to learn how to solve problems by writing a program. What is programming? The term programming means to create or develop software. In basic terms, software contains the instructions that tell a computer or a computerized device what to do. What is software? Software is all around you, even in devices that you might not think would need it. Of course, you expect to find and use software on a personal computer, but software also plays a role in running airplanes, cars, cell phones, and even toasters. On a personal computer, you use word processors to write documents, web browsers to explore the internet, and email programs to send messages. These programs are all examples of software. Software developers create software with the help of a powerful tool called programming languages. This book teaches you how to create programs by using the Python programming language. There are many programming languages, some of which are decade-old. Each language was invented for a specific purpose to build on the strength of a previous language, for example, or to give the programmer a new and unique set of tools. Knowing that there are so many programming languages available, it would be natural for you to wonder which one is best. But in truth, there is no best language. Each one has its own strength and weakness. Experienced programmers know that one language might work well in some situations, whereas a different language may be more appropriate in other situations. For this reason, seasoned programmers try to master as many different programming languages as they can, giving them access to a vast arsenal of software development tools. If you learn to program using Python, you should find it easy to pick up other languages. The key is to learn how to solve problems using a programming approach. This is the main theme of this book. You're about to begin an exciting journey learning how to program. At the outset, it is helpful to review computer basics, programs, and operating systems. If you're already familiar with such terms as CPU, memory, disks, operating systems, and programming language, you may skip the reviews on computer basics, programs, and operating system. Next video, we will begin to introduce section 1.5. You'll learn how to write and run a simple Python program. Thank you very much. See you on the next video.